Welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to assemble the wooden easel from Variety Canvas. So let's begin by taking a look at everything you will receive in the package. So, a set of wooden components which are pre-cut and polished for easy assembly. Also, a packet of screws, all the hardwares you will be needing to securely assemble your easel. So we will start with taking a wooden piece, a smaller one, and it can be recognized with its two ends which are cut in angular shapes, and also there is a broad cavity in the middle of it. Nextly, take the longer wooden piece. This one also has a cavity in the middle, but it is a partial cavity. One end is angular while the other end is smoothly finished. So you can clearly see that the other end is smoothly finished and is circular. Now you have to take these two wooden pieces and now we are going to connect them together. So we begin with taking both the pieces and you have to align them in a way that the cavities match together, and you have to fix the longer one in the smaller one as shown. So in this way, the initial support is done. So now the next wooden piece that will be required is this one, which is also having a central cavity, which is a partial cavity, and both the ends are having the angular cuts. So now we are going to put this on the initial frame that we have prepared. So place it in a way that both the cavities face each other and it will lock just like a puzzle. So there is a metal leaf that is also being provided and you have to place it on top of both the cross. These are the screws that are available, 3 mini screws, while multiple butterfly screws and mid-size screws are present. So we begin with screwing down the mini screws on the metal leaf, securing the connection. So once done, our whole structure is going to look like this, and now we will take the two long wooden frames or sticks. These sticks are also having cavities in both the ends as it is available and is shown in the video. Now take both these two sticks together and we have to connect it in the main frame or the middle frame. So these are the first, second and the third frame. Third one is our middle frame. So to recognize, you can see the upper parts are smoothly finished and they are completely smooth, while their end parts are square because they are going to stand on the floor, so that's why they are completely flat. So now it's time to connect all these three frames together. The process is simple. You have to just place the angular cuts into the cavity and with your hands pressure, the whole structure will take place. Now it's time to secure the connections, for which we have 4 mid-size screws. The 3 smaller screws are already being used, so we are left with these 4 ones. Now take the one and you have to screw it down at the edge as it is shown. But you can see there is already holes present so that you can easily screw it down. Place the screw in the hole and use a screwdriver to secure the connection. Repeat the process for all the 4 points that are available at the edges of this main frame. Flip down this easel and you can see there are one more point here and one more point here. So in this way there are total 4 points and 4 screws available. So repeat the process of screwing them. So now it's time to place the last longest wooden stick or frame, and now we have to assemble it in a way that you have to place this long frame, and for recognition you can see there are 2 holes and the surface of its upper part is smoothly finished and is curvy. So place it in a way the curved part is downward and the flat part is upward. Now place it in the middle metal leaf, and likewise you can see you have to place it in a way that the holes are aligned. So all the holes are aligned together. Take the butterfly screw and the one which is the thinnest butterfly screw in all the screws that are provided. Open the butterfly screw, place it in and secure it with the hook. So like this, a nice secure connection is made, and this is our back support. Now take these two mini sticks, and now we have to place them with the help of the butterfly screws. So open the butterfly screw and place it in the wooden stick just like this, and there is a hole which is present in the main frame, and there is a hole at that end also. So you have to take this screw all along in the direction that it comes out from the other end, and like this you have to place the second mini wooden stick just like the way it's shown. Once done, you are going to secure it with the butterfly hook, and the butterfly hooks are really very easy to use. So once we are done, this is how it's going to look like. Now we have to secure these two wooden lock pieces with the third leg which is adjustable, and you can see there is a broad long cavity in which you are going to secure them up together, for which we are going to use the butterfly screw only. And just like the way it is shown in the video, you have to place the screw in it and lock it in with the butterfly screw. So this is going to be an adjustable leg that you can adjust according to your preference or the angle. So this is how the whole easel is now looking. But wait, there are certain more components that needs to be added, and the main initial frame is ready. So now this is the next component that we are going to use, and this will be a place to keep your canvas, and this smaller piece is going to secure this wooden piece together with the main frame. So take this one, and you can see there is a flat surface on which the canvas is going to be kept. So in this way you can understand that in which part you have to place the screws. So again, put the butterfly screws and now place it on the main frame at the bottom part of the easel. It is smooth and it is going to be used to adjust the height of the canvas. Now place the mini wooden block, secure it with the butterfly hook, and like this a complete proper stand is ready. But wait, one more last step is remaining, for which we are left with this mini wooden piece and a smaller piece to hold this together with the main easel stand. Again place the two butterfly screws, put it on the upper end or the upper part of the easel. Once it's done, you have to secure it with the smaller wooden piece that is also provided, and you can completely secure with the butterfly hook. It's completely easy and a smooth step. This component is also adjustable and can be varied according to your preference. And this is how our overall easel stand looks like when it is assembled properly. So 5 feet wooden easel is ready to be used, and you can place your favorite variety canvas and you can start your painting. We hope this video made your easel assembly process a little simple, and if you found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and make sure you are following us on Instagram because we regularly post fun challenges and giveaways. Thanks.